What's up, students? Let's talk about something that confuses a lot of writers. When to use a comma after an introductory clause. It's honestly not as hard as it seems. First, let's define what an introductory clause is. Generally speaking, it's a group of words at the beginning of a sentence that sets up the main idea. But specifically, it's when a dependent clause starts the sentence. Remember a dependent clause? It's got a subject and a verb in it, and it begins with a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions are words like these: when, because, after, although, since. Check out this sentence. When the movie ended, we went out for ice cream. See the subordinating conjunction at the beginning? The word when? Notice how it starts out that dependent clause when the movie ended. So when a dependent clause comes at the beginning of a sentence, we set it off with a comma. It's that simple. Let's try again. Because she studied hard, she aced the test. See how we put a comma after the introductory clause? Now let's take the same two sentences and reverse the order. Instead of beginning with the dependent clause, we're going to end with the dependent clause. We went out for ice cream when the movie ended, and she aced the test because she studied hard. Notice anything different here? There's no comma. That's because the dependent clause came at the end of the sentence. In that case, we don't use a comma. So here's the rule. If a dependent clause comes at the beginning of the sentence, put a comma after it. But if it comes at the end, you won't need one. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Keep an eye out for those introductory clauses and don't forget your commas. See you next time.